It's a great day for hockey cards, and today we're going to take a look at 2019-2020 SP Authentic, with each box containing at least one Future Watch rookie hard-signed autographed auto. And we're looking at 5 cards per pack and 18 packs per box. This product does contain time-sensitive redemptions, I do know that. We're well within the time to claim them, though. There's our odds. We're, of course, looking for Jack Hughes, Quinn Hughes, Cale Makar. So there's actually a pretty good crop of rookies in 1920. So let's see who we can get. I haven't opened one of these boxes in a while. I hope everybody was able to get any Black Friday sales they were looking for. Hopefully you did it from home and didn't venture out and stand in lines anywhere. This bad boy open. And right about there. Stature. It came, it went. And collect the Spectrum Effects cards. Bounty and stuff. Let's go. We've got Dylan Larkin, Connor McDavid, and a Carl Soderberg update. Artemi Panarin, and Mikko Rantanen. So, if you watch break channels, you of course have seen this product. This is one of the more popular products every year that Upper Deck puts out. I got stuff falling on the side here. Everything is precariously balanced on the corner of my filming area so as not to invade. Let me move that out of the way. There we go. Let's get back to it. Jacob Trouba, Matthew Barzal, and we've got an SP Essentials of Jack Eichel, Matt Murray, and Vinny Trocheck. This one feels a little thicker. Might have a decoy in it. Maybe a patch. Who knows? We'll know in a second. Matthew Tkachuk. We've got the Stammer. And we've got an All-Star update for King Henry. I really like those jerseys they wore. Zach Werenski and Cam Atkinson. Should pull at least 2 autos out of this box. Erik Karlsson, Mark Stone, another update, this time Taylor Hall. Kyle Turris and Austin Matthews. Claude Giroux, Taylor Hall, John Carlson, SP Essential, Victor Arvidsson, and Roman Josi. A couple of great defensemen in that pack. Carey Price, Jake DeBrusk, Anthony Mantha. This is a red variation. We've got an unautographed Future Watch after that. Nikolai Prohorkin, 781 of 999. Non-auto. Jacob Vrana. Brent Burns, Alexander Barkov, Pierre-Luc Dubois, limited red, Vladimir Tarasenko, and Andrei Svechnikov. Almost feels like that's 2 cards. So if you managed to pick up any good deals on Black Friday, what were they? Let me know in the comments below. Curious to see what people were able to find. Logan Couture, Miro Heiskanen, and we've got a Spectrum FX Future Watch, a Kirby Doc. That's nice. I don't do the bounty, so won't be scratching that guy. Oh, and I want to thank everybody who's purchased something in my eBay store. I really appreciate that. It helps keep the channel going, enables me to buy some new stuff to put on the channel. If you're curious about my eBay store, the link is in the description if you want to check it out. Duncan Keith, looks like we have another Spectrum here. Keith Jones, and we've got a Spectrum FX of Anthony Mantha. And there's the Bob and Patty Kane. PLD, Dougie Hamilton, and we've got an authentic moments of Steven Stamkos. He scores in a 4-1 home victory over the Arizona Coyotes, setting the Lightning goal-scoring record. This is his 384th goal. Alex Tuck, William Karlsson. Mark Scheifele, Carter Hart, and there's our first auto. We've got a SP Authentic Limited Auto of Connor Hellebuck. Looks like he just signs it Hell. 37. That's a cool one there. Alex DeBrincat and Brad Marchand. Gotta watch, because I've seen a couple boxes of these opened where they got no autos in them, which I'm sure Upper Deck would remedy if you contact customer care, but you always get kind of nervous in 1920 when you're getting near the bottom and you haven't seen one yet. Jonathan Marchessault, Mikhail Granlund, and there's a Geno Malkin red. Joe Pavelski and Braden Shen. Got Sid the Adult, Jonathan Taves, got a Calle Jarnkrok update. Connor Hellebuck, not auto. Next pack. Mitch Marner, Bo Horvat, Future Watch. Will this be autographed? It is. Who's it going to be? Philippe Myers of the Philadelphia Flyers. He's got a pretty nice signature there. 543 of 999. Blake Wheeler and EP40. So now we've pulled our two. Can we get a third out of here? It's definitely possible. Ricard Raquel, Andre Vasilevsky. We've got Sid the Adult. His 1200th career point with a 3-point night and a 3-2 overtime victory. It's interesting to look at that card and three of those players, Schultze, Kessel, and Hornquist, no longer on the team. This is from 2019, so things change pretty quick. Natty Mac and Jesperi Kotkaniemi. Down to the final three packs. Philip Grubauer, Morgan Riley, another authentic moments. Here's Jack Hughes getting picked first overall. Jeff Skinner and Joe Thornton. Jack Eichel, Ben Bishop. Oh, we got a Young Gun update of Jake Wallman for St. Louis. Jacob Slavin and John Gibson. The pack's being a little difficult there. Jake Guentzel, Dylan Strome, and we've got an SP Essential of Johnny Whitehall, Dr. Dre, and Matt Dumba. So there you have it. There's a box of 2019-2020 SP Authentic Hockey. Not a bad box. No big Future Watch auto in it, but I did like the Hellebuck Limited that we pulled. But thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.